Hello, we're at 900 Powell and this is apartment 5. Right when you come in the front door of the unit, you're in a small hallway that has a coat closet. Okay, coat closet here. And then it opens up into the living area. This is a junior 1-bedroom. And what that means is there is a separate sleeping area, but it is an open alcove instead of an enclosed bedroom. Okay, so here we are in the living room looking there at the alcove. I think you would want to do a full-size bed to best fit that space. Here is the electric wall-mounted heater for the unit. Hardwood floors, as you can see, except for the kitchen and bathroom, which have tile, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. We are located on Powell at Sacramento, and we're in the Princess apartment building. Wonderful location. We're right on the border of Nob Hill and Chinatown, and very close to FIDI. Okay, so looking here at the kitchen, we've got some cabinet space on this side of the island. And then also plenty of cabinet space in the kitchen. Stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel gas range, fridge, microwave. We got granite countertops. All right, so here we are looking out. We are on the cable car line, which is great. Very San Francisco to hear the cable car going by. And that building right there, we're looking at the back of the historic Fairmont Hotel. Really wonderful location. Got a ceiling fan here in the living room. Here's the controller for that. And then last thing is we'll show you the bathroom. Okay, got a fan for ventilation, cabinets here, granite tile, some drawers and a cabinet here under the bathroom sink, and then a shower enclosure with a glass shower door. And then let me step outside and show you the exterior. Here are the mailboxes for the building. There is shared laundry in this building. 2 washers, 2 dryers. It uses the Shine Pay app. Okay, and then here as we step outside, just so you can see the street view. Here is the entry system. All right, so when friends come to visit, you can buzz them in. All right. There's the Fairmont. If you head this direction, top of Nob Hill. And if you continue on down Powell, you wind up in Chinatown and then North Beach. Right on the corner of Powell and Sacramento. And down Sacramento, you wind up in the financial district. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. This has been 900 Powell, apartment 5 in the Princess building.